Weather has changed big time, not something I was prepared for. All right, here we go. It's finally here. Morning of. We're loading everything onto this pig and we're getting ready to head out. We're gonna make our way all the way out towards either Randall or Ashford, a couple of really good places. We might have to make a little bit of a judgment call though, because weather has changed big time. Not something I was prepared for. It's like 49 degrees in the mountains. It's raining. There is a winter advisory, but that's more up north. So I might have to adapt, change plans, because we were originally going, I'm a little nervous that the snow is going to be either not there at all or it's going to be in very bad condition, which it might be bad conditions either way we go, or it might be good. I'm not really sure. I'm just taking a shot in the dark, but looking at the Dopplers and the maps and all that good stuff, our second option might be the better option, but we'll make that call when we meet up with our friends and see which direction everyone's thinking. It's only going to be two of us, maybe a third showing up, so at least we have friends, at least we're not going alone, and other people are definitely going to know where we're going, because I'm not feeling all that confident in this rig. So we'll see how it goes. I'm super excited. We're loading up all the gear that we need, and while we're out there, the kids are going to be sledding. It's going to be a great time, and we're also going to be able to get our Christmas tree, throw it on our new roof basket, drag that thing home. So it's going to be a fun day. The kids are pumped. So let's get going. Let's get all this loaded up. Let's get ready to go.
Yeah.
Let's go find snow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, here we go. Sam, you ready to go? Is he ready to go? Hey, dude. So what are you thinking? I got you this too.
I think I have to think about things.
Yeah. So looking at Ashford this morning, showed rain all through there, right?
Yeah.
Randall is showing 31 inches of snow and higher elevation. So it's kind of a crapshoot. They're both the same distance, but Randall, we might have a better chance of getting into the snow. Ashford might be fine, but it only showed 14 inches of snow and the temperature went up. So
I don't know. We got tires that'll get us to 6 inches of snow.
that's what I was like. I was like, well, either way, we're getting a Christmas tree.
Yeah, if we see snow, I mean, that's a bonus, I guess.
Yeah. So what do you think? Which one you want?
It don't matter to me.
Don't matter?
Yeah. I'll probably have to fuel up wherever we can get gas before we head out. Up.
Oh, okay.
So I'm getting a sweet 8.5 miles a gallon. No, I knew this thing would be bad. That's why I've had it idling for like 7 hours, I feel like. And then I left the key on the other night. The battery's dead.
Oh, God. So we're still unsure on exactly where we want to go. Trying to check some of the readings now, just to see if one's showing a little bit better than the other one as far as depth. Randall area is almost looking like our better shot with the recent change in temperature. So we might head out that way, but I'll make sure that we download these maps offline for whichever direction we're heading, and then we'll have it regardless of where we go. You want me to hold it? I can get it while you go in. Right. Oh. Yep. We're good. Huh.
Ditches are just there for looks. They don't do anything.
Hey, well, at least you have a jump box. I wish I had a voltmeter and we could check if it was, you know, at least.
Well, I know what sucks is my big jump box that I have, it just shows voltage when you do it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I think we made the decision to go to Randall, so we'll cruise into Morton and then I'll hit the highway.
grabbing some propane bottles. I forgot. We brought the buddy heater just in case. You know?
Oh, nice. We were
Up in
gonna.
the middle of the forest. And
Yeah.
somehow both stuff. And we gotta survive.
Well, we were trying to think. I was like, well, my firewood's probably wet. Maybe I'll get some here. And then I forgot the torch. Well, and if it's still raining when we get up there, I threw the awning on the side. So
I have an umbrella.
we have that. All right. Here we go. Well, how's it doing? No. Hey, I don't know how you're doing. I'm still full.
I don't know, my gauge always says E. I'm always on empty.
Our sled's hanging on. That's good.
Oh.
I would have sued you would have hit me.
She'd say you would have sued me.
Yeah.
Oh man. I'm excited.
Yeah?
Hope we can find some good snow. Let's see.
So, we're about what, 30 miles?
26 miles.
Yeah, this thing's a pig. So 26 miles for 4 gallons. 4.5 gallons already.
That's so crazy. It'd be crazy if you had like, well, it'd be depressing. I wouldn't even want one if you had like the taxi cab little meter on your tax that's just running.
Well, I mean, if my fuel gauge worked, you could probably literally watch it move.
Just go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't. My light's not coming on the dash.
Oh yeah. Yep, she's hooked up.
The locker, she's slick.
Does it have low range?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, she's doing better than we expected, not having lockers or bead locks or any of that. Aired down to about 18 pounds. It seems to be, if I find that soft spot on the gas pedal, just barely letting them tires move. Pretty slushy snow, so as soon as she digs, she's stuck. So, but if we just keep those tires barely turning, it kind of, I think it's light enough, it's kind of staying on top of it, and we're just kind of chugging along. So we're not gonna get too far up in here, but we're trying to find that good Christmas tree spot. I don't think we're finding that either. you go. That's perfect.
I think I'm off the road.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Look at that thing.
Oh, it's raining. Run off is like puddling in the middle. Like, oh, it's gonna collapse.
What are you doing? Okay, do it again.
Okay, I think we found it. Timber! Oh!
That was so intense.
This one's really speaking to me back here. Well, it was speaking to me. Now I'm looking at these other ones.
Go with Sam. Uh-oh. Ready, Sissy? We're gonna go through the trees.
There's some good ones right here.
Oh, yeah.
I get to pick our family tree. It's gonna be.
Or there's these ones.
It's gonna be this one.
Sissy, what do you think? Do you like that one?
Yeah.
Sam, can you like that one?
I don't like it.
Why?
I like this.
Yeah, that's the one. That's our tree.
Okay, I got the tree.
You're gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Right here.
Where are you going? I don't know.
There it goes. Timber!
Here's our little tree. If that's not a Christmas card, I don't know what is. That's a good looking tree.
We spent hours and hours searching.
Looks really good. So you can hold her up, okay? Ready? Back. Spread your legs. There. Now sit up. Pull back, heavy.
Here we go.
Kick them. Right into the tree. Well, been wet, rainy, but we got trees.
I mean, what do you expect? We're in Washington. It's just kind of like 9 months out of the year.
Now, while this might not have been the most ideal weather situation that we were hoping for the day, we were still able to get out in the woods, pop that four-wheel drive in and out a couple of times to make sure it worked, and luckily it never left us stranded. The Jimmy ran great, we didn't have any mechanical issues, but we didn't want to go too far up into the hills with both of us being not that capable and there only being two of us. The kids still had a blast. We were able to pick out a Christmas tree, and even with all the rain, we were able to bust the sled out and get a couple runs on that too. I hope you guys really enjoyed the episode, and I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas.